टॉप कॉलेजेस थ्रू नाटा, विच रैंक इज स्कोर्ड, कौन सा कॉलेज मिल सकता है. बोथ सेंटर्स आर गुड एंड टॉप 20 स्टूडेंट्स दे गो टू दिस रैंक. नाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग एकेडमिक्स, डिसेंट प्लेसमेंट होते हैं. These are very good and private colleges. World University of Design, this is again a very good college. High on demand. I know you are thinking about top colleges through NATA. Which rank is scored? कौन सा कॉलेज मिल सकता है? Let us understand this in this presentation. I'm sure with this presentation it will be very clear what are the top colleges in India which can provide you architecture, and this will clear all your doubts. So let us begin. What are we waiting for? Here are the top architecture colleges in from 2025 to 2026 level. पूरी architecture and planning के through हमने इसको jot down किया है यहाँ पे. Very important for you if you want to become a B Arch person, मतलब आप bachelor's करना चाहते हो, तो this is very important for you. Now this is best in India, the high competitive colleges. These are the top ranked and best exposure and strong portfolio valued colleges hai. School of Planning and Architecture ke through in Delhi. So SPA Delhi is the topmost college, is the topmost branch. After SPA Delhi, there is SPA Vijayawada also comes. Both centers are good and top 20 students, they go to this rank. So you have to score above 150 actually, 150, 180, 170 तक अगर आप स्कोर कर रहे हो नाटा एग्जाम में, definitely SPA is the college for you. Now, CEPT University in Gujarat. It's a big campus, very big university. I have got good rapport with this. So this is again a great college to join in Gujarat. Now, Jamia Millia Islamia Faculty of Architecture is one of the topmost colleges. Within 10 rank आती है जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया की. Sir JJ College of Architecture is in Asia's #1 architecture college. We all know it. Only very few seats are there. So you have to strive very hard. Top 10 students will get through JJ School of Art. Now, Chandigarh College of Architecture is also very good, which is gives you good education in terms of your portfolio, in terms of your placement as well. Now, strong academics, decent placement होते हैं. These are very good and private colleges. तो मैं कुछ private colleges के बारे में भी बताने जा रहा हूँ आपको. The government colleges I have already taken name of. जैसे BMS College of Architecture is there, which is a private college. Then RV College of Architecture is a good college over there, RVCA. Then Manipal School of Architecture and Planning, very beautiful campus is there. And these are again having good placements. University of School of Architecture and Planning. This is again a very good school over there. United Institute of Design. This is again a very good college, which can give you degree of BR. World University of Design, this is again a very good college which can give you a degree of VR. Anant National University is amazing, बहुत ही बढ़िया campus है, good placement also. But the fees is a little high, Anant की, so that is another discussion. CEPT University Faculty of Design is again a great college to be in the architecture. Now, 2,400 design colleges, but only few are truly top प्रायर. मतलब आपको इंडिया में बहुत से कॉलेजेस मिलेंगे, मतलब 2,500 से ज़्यादा ही कॉलेज आप मान लीजिए कि वो हैं. पर बेस्ट कॉलेजेस डिपेंड्स ऑन योर फील्ड. आप क्या करना चाहते हो, प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन, इंडस्ट्रियल डिज़ाइन, NIT, IITs, आपको कहाँ जाना है, ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे फैशन डिज़ाइन के लिए आप निफ्ट कर सकते हो इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम अ डिज़ाइनर. नाउ सिंस यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर डिज़ाइन एंड आर्किटेक्चर एग्जाम, एम फॉर NIT बच्चों. NIT अहमदाबाद इज़ द बेस्ट कैंपस इन इंडिया, उस पर आप एम कर सकते हैं.